Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be checking out a package from GNB. Because I can't fly today, it is raining cats and dogs outside. In fact, you may even see flashes and hear thunder throughout the video. GNB are one of my favourite Lipo producers, and a couple of weeks ago they said, we've got a new 6S Lipo coming out, would you like to try it out? And seeing as what I do with my speed testing, Lipos are a commodity, so I instantly said yes. But what is interesting about this 6S Lipo is that it's designed for a 3-inch model, but it's an 850 milliamp 6S Lipo, which is quite large for a 3-inch, so I think that idea is perhaps more endurance for 3-inch, and hey, maybe we could use it on a 4-inch 6S setup, because we're seeing 4-inch all of a sudden appear, and you could even use it on a very lightweight 5-inch setup, because I think a 6S 850 milliamp 4S equivalent would be around about 1275 milliamp, so almost a 1300 milliamp Lipo as a 4S equivalency. So let's get this box opened and see what's inside. So I'm afraid I've only got this blunt knife here. I really do need to get a better one. So just going to cut down the sides here, hopefully not cut through the Lipos. It's quite a big box for what's inside. Oh, what is this? We have got a note. Let's see what this says. So it says, "Hi Andy RC, I am Jerry. Let's check the surprise out. Hope you like it." Smiley face. If anybody knows me, I do not like surprises, but how bad can it be when it comes to a Lipo? So, yep, 850 milliamp 6S, 22.2 volts, so that's the nominal voltage, so fully charged it will be 25.2. So we have got a pamphlet in here, and it's just warning you about Lipos and things about charging and discharging and storage and things. That's pretty cool. And then this is the Lipo, so pretty hefty Lipo. Oh, different branding. Thanks for the ad. Oh, look at that. It's got Andy RC written on the side of it. Oh, how cool is that? Now, I imagine this isn't going to be the end color scheme. This is a custom thing that they have done for me, but that is awesome. It looks pretty big, doesn't it? So if I take the Diatone GTR 369, that's how it would sit, like that, and it's using an Xt30 connector. But as I discovered in my tests on this model, an Xt60 is not required for 6S. So yeah, quite a big Lipo. I wonder how much it weighs. Bear with me. So it weighs 149 grams, and the 550 milliamp 6S Lipo that they do weighs 108 grams, so we are just over 40 grams heavier than that Lipo, but we've got a bigger capacity. So I think it would slow this model down, but it would definitely give it a longer flight time, and we would probably potentially have to retune this guy, but I definitely want to have a go at that. So let's take a look at the others. Surely they can't all have that logo on there. Let's take a look. So how many have I got? Oh my goodness, they've sent quite a lot of them. So pamphlet again, and what is they have taken the cover photo from my Facebook profile and they have wrapped it around the Lipo. This is awesome, guys. Do you know what? I wish I had given you my logo. Hey, how many of you guys would love a Andy RC GNB edition Lipo? That would be awesome. That would be something that I would put my name to, because they are such an awesome company and they are the best Lipos out there. And just look at that. How have they done that? That is just brilliant. So am I to expect that in there? What I'm after is an actual production one, because I don't think you're going to be able to buy these ones. It'd be cool if you could though. Right, okay, let's check the next one. Moment of truth. Has it got my markings on it? Let's take a look. Ah, here we go. This is more like it. So this is going to be your standard livery, I think. So, yep, the usual GNB colours, 850 milliamp, and it says 80 to 160C. It's not going to do 160C, but with it being 6S, I think actually the highest that I've seen, and that was going at 124 mile per hour. I think the current draw was in the 60s. So yeah, this C rating here, I don't know how they measure it. Maybe they don't measure it with the wires, so you get less resistance or whatever. But anyways, it's going to be good enough. And this is going to be the retail version, which of course I will link to in the below. Right, what else have we got? Well, we've got two of these, so I'm just going to... Oh, this one has already been cut open, so yeah, that's another one. So yeah, 6S, 850 milliamp, so just put that to one side, and we've got this one here. Imagine it's not easy getting those stickers around there. And yeah, same again with that one. So loads of those to try out, which is great because I absolutely abuse them just for you guys, so we can see what speed they do. Wow, we've got some other stuff here as well. So thank you guys. Yes, I was looking for specifically for some 2S, so 650 milliamp 2S. This is for sort of like these Cinewhoops, and it's difficult to find a battery size for them, so I asked them and they said, yeah, we've got like 650 milliamp 2S. So let's take a look at these. No pictures on this one, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at some more. So these are 550 milliamp 3S, and all of those are 550 milliamp 3S, and again, those are just going to be standard ones. They're going to be, again, fantastic for these micros that are coming out. Just wonder if on any of these other Lipos they've gone and put a picture of me on there. That's really funny. Let's see. It'd be great if they'd somehow just got my logo from a video or something and put it on there. So what have we got here? That is brilliant. So what's that one? That's 650 milliamp 2S. This, you can actually see the date stamp. This, it isn't quite when I started doing FPV, but this here, this is actually a 3D foamy. So that's the fuselage, that's the wing, and I'd put a knockoff 808 camera on the back. I didn't know it was a knockoff, I just saw it on eBay really cheap, and you couldn't turn the date stamp off. And look at the date on that one. You can see you've got me in the picture there, same field that I fly, but we have got 22nd of May 2012. I think I started getting back into this 2011, but That's hilarious. There might be some more pictures, guys. So let's take a look at this next one. And Tony, one of the hosts of Let's Drone Out, definitely isn't going to be a fan of this one. This is mine and Jack's friendiversary on Facebook, printed onto a GNB Lipo. And Jack is Tony's nemesis on Let's Drone Out. He is another host of the show, and it says buddies, pals, amigos. However, he is especially not going to like this one because we have got a picture of the Let's Drone Out crew. However, Tony was actually in this picture and they have cut him off. So I'm really sorry, Tony. I will show you the full picture of the crew so that you can get your glory. But, you know, you have been in my profile picture with me for the best part of a year, so I think you have had more exposure than Jack in total, but I'm sorry you aren't on any of these lipos. Another one there. Thank you so much for sending these, guys. As I say, they are a commodity for me. Doing all of the tests that I do, I absolutely kill these lipos. Hey, oh, what's this one? We've got a checkered one here. Oh man, this one could be the most embarrassing one of all. I don't know where they've got these pictures from. I think it's got to be on Facebook somewhere, or I have a music channel. Yeah, I don't think that means anything. It's just like a serial number. Yes, I have a music channel. It's called Arc Music. I did put some music on the channel and sort of hit and miss because I like to play heavy rock music and some people aren't into that, so I've got another channel, Arc Music, but I haven't been making any music at all recently because all of my instruments are being moved to a different location. So once everything is in place, I will be recording again. But yeah, thumbs up and comments in the below if you would like to see limited GNB lipos, because I'm sure if there is a demand for it, then GNB will do it. And a big thank you to GNB for sending me these lipos to check out. I will be doing that as soon as the rain stops. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.